Hi everyone. This week, the 5 to 12-year-olds will be receiving in their craft kit the supplies to make this very pretty fall-themed bookmark. So let's get started on how to make this week's craft. All right, my friends, let's go over what you'll be receiving in your craft kit this week. Inside you will find some white cardstock. You'll also find some colored construction paper, some fall leaves, some shiny sequin leaves, a bookmark that you can use as a cutting template, some clear contact paper, and there will be a colored ribbon inside as well. What you'll need to provide is a hole punch and a pair of scissors. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is use your bookmark as a cutting template to cut your cardstock into the desired width and length of your bookmark. You can make it a little bit longer, wider, whatever you would like, but this is just kind of a guideline for you to use. I've already cut mine to save a little bit of time, so I'm going to set those aside. And I have my white cardstock as well as my brown construction paper, and that's going on the back. I actually need a different color paper behind here so you can see it. Let me get this white. There, that looks a little bit better. So the brown construction paper goes behind the white cardstock as a type of frame. This is where you use your glue stick and put some in the middle of your brown construction paper after you've cut it, and then place your white cardstock on top. Just center it as best you can, just like that. All right, now leaves on our bookmark where we would like them to go, and you can use as many or as few as you'd like. I'll just place them wherever you would like. Hey, that looks pretty. And maybe a couple like that. That looks nice. And I'm going to use my glue just to tack them down just a little bit so that when I am putting on the construction paper, my leaves don't fall off the bookmark. This isn't going to completely secure them, but it's going to give them a fighting chance to stay on the bookmark while I'm working with the contact paper. Here we go. The next step is our contact paper. Now you do want to leave an edge around your contact paper. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the contact paper. It's very, very sticky. Make sure that you lay it sticky side up. Place your bookmark on the contact paper, and you want it towards the left side, towards the edge, not all the way to the edge. Place that down and fold it over, just like that. Give it a good squeeze. Try to get out all that air bubbles. If you can't get them all out, that's okay. Just like that. You're going to take your scissors and cut off a little bit of the excess. You still want an edge all the way around. There we go. It's pretty, isn't it? Now we get to use, turn that over, our hole punch. I think I'm going to have my leaves go this way. So you're going to find the center of your bookmark and you're going to pop in 2 holes at the top. 1 too, just side by side, like that. And take your ribbon, and you're going to thread one side in the left, and the other side, oops, I dropped the bookmark. So one side in the left, and then one side in the right hole. Bring your ribbon through. Don't pull too hard because you don't want to rip the paper. Just like that, and then you get to tie your ribbon. Just like you're tying your shoes. And there you go. And there is your pretty fall bookmark. All right, my friends, here is today's finished project. I love the way it turned out, and it's going to be great to hold my place in books this fall as well as the winter. Hope you have fun making it. Before we go, I want to show you the book that is the inspiration for today's project. This is The Alphabet Tree by Leo Leone, and this is an older book, but I really like it. It is a book about a tree that was filled with letters, and with the help of a word bug and a purple caterpillar, those letters began to form words and then meaningful sentences. It's a lovely story, and it is available to check out with our Library to Go program. All right, my friends, that is it for today, and I hope to see you on Wednesday between 3 and 4 for the 5 to 12-year-old Craft to Go.